Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install LibreOffice in your system. So first you need to do is go to the link that I included in the description of this video, because there you can download LibreOffice for Windows. So if you will download the installer, you need to open it, and then preparing to installation will be started in. After that, this window should be successfully displayed. We need to click next, and I recommend you to select here typical option. Alternatively, you can select custom, but if you are a beginner, I recommend you to select first option. After that, we click next button, and here I recommend you to select this one option, create a shortcut on desktop. Then you will be able to easily open this software from your desktop. So let's check this option, and after that you need to click install button. The installation process will be started in. Now you need to wait few minutes to finish installation. How you see, this may take several minutes, but I think it will not take so long time. By the way, Installation Wizard installs this version of LibreOffice. You can check it here if you want. Let me know in comment which version of LibreOffice do you have here. Okay, and how you see, the installation process has been successfully finished. The installation is completed. So now you need to click finish button, and after that you will be able to open LibreOffice. So I minimize this window by clicking here. Okay, and here you should find LibreOffice shortcut. We need to click on it double time to open LibreOffice, and how you see, after a moment it should be successfully opened. So now you can easily start using this software. You can use Writer, Document, Calc spreadsheet, Impress presentation, Draw drawing, Math formula or base database. So for example, I create Writer document, and how you see, it really works. So if I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and let me know in comment if you have successfully installed LibreOffice on your PC.